Virtual reality has been getting a lot of attention over the past years as people started to learn more and more about it. With Facebook's recent announcement of the Metaverse, it seems that VR will be receiving more attention and tech companies would be looking towards making bigger investments into making improved VR headsets. Facebook itself doesn't have a strong development history in the VR headsets market. Instead, other companies Valve Index have been beating Facebook in this race. However, the recent progress in the virtual reality field has ignited a competitive contest. Now companies are looking to come out on top in this competition. Here are a few interesting VR headsets you should keep an eye out for in 2022. Project Cambria. Well, time to talk about Facebook. Again, recently at Connect 2021 event, Facebook's annual developer conference, CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced the rebranding of his company into Meta and talked about bringing the idea of a metaverse to reality. He also revealed that the company has been working on a new virtual reality headset called Project Cambria. Project Cambria is an upgrade from the last year's headset Oculus Quest 2. Bear in mind that it's not a replacement for the Quest 2, as Meta has clarified that it's still working on developing the next generation budget-friendly VR headsets, which is good news for those who are worried that Project Cambria might have ended the long run of Quest headsets. However, with Project Cambria supposedly coming next year, we might see the next Quest headset delayed to 2023. Let's talk about the specs. Project Cambria will offer an enhanced mixed reality experience, with better optics for better visual fidelity and complete face and eye tracking. New facial sensors will allow your virtual avatar to maintain eye contact and show your facial expression. Meta hasn't released much information about Project Cambria but did specify that its improved cameras can display high-resolution, full-color video to the headset's screens. With the new reconstruction algorithms, Cambria will be able to show the objects present in the physical world with a sense of perspective and depth. Quest 2 is already a well-performing second-generation headset with no PC requirements. It does a pretty good job of providing a tether-free, wireless gaming experience at an affordable price. It'll be interesting to see how Project Cambria improves upon it. Meta hasn't revealed a price or a release date for Project Cambria, but Zuckerberg introduced it as a completely new product, being on the more expensive side since it compromises of next-generation features that Meta can't include in the Quest series. Meta assured it will share more details about Project Cambria next year. So Apple likes to dip their hands into everything. Let's talk about their latest venture, Apple VR. Apple has long been exploring the VR and AR technologies according to the different patents filed by the company, but with the VR and AR genre gaining popularity, Apple is growing more serious and might be working on developing a dedicated VR, AR device. They are rumored to release the company's first ever mixed reality headset with Wi-Fi support in 2022. The latest claims around the device suggest that it'll be exceptional level piece of hardware and could be launched in 2022. Followed by a sleek designed pair of AR glasses coming at a later date. Apple is planning to unleash its own pricey device with advanced chips, displays, sensor and avatar-based features as early as next year, writes Mark Gurman, who has historically predicted correctly about many Apple products in the past. This puts the Apple VR in the same category as Project Cambria from Meta. From Gurman's predictions, we can comprehend that the Apple headset will be similar in terms of functionality, features and price point. From what we know so far, Apple seems to be working on a more powerful Apple VR headset, and also a pair of Apple glasses that could specialize in augmented reality world. They are planning to include its most advanced and powerful tech in the device along with displays that far surpass the ones already available. It's also possible that there's only a single device Apple is working on which will perform both AR and VR features. However, the chances of that being the case are very low. It is most likely that Apple will give us a device like the Oculus 2 for VR and a device like Google Glass for AR. Now we have Sony's PSVR 2, with the PS5 out in the market, it was safe to suspect that the PSVR will also get an upgraded iteration which is an improvement from its predecessor and will do things it didn't do well enough. Sony has officially confirmed that the PSVR 2 is on its way and will likely come out sometime in 2022. In a post on the PlayStation posted in early 2021, Sony announced that it's working on developing a new PSVR system, reassuring the brand's commitment to VR. Although, it's interesting to notice that they have yet to call it the PSVR 2 themselves, instead calling it the next generation VR. Technically, there's already a PSVR 2 out there, as in 2017, Sony released a refreshed version of its PSVR, the CUHZVR 2. This version added integrated headphones and HDR pass-through and a smaller connective cord. But it still can't be called a next generation. This begs for the question, how will PSVR 2 supersede its predecessor? How will Sony justify the selling price it will come with? Here's what we know so far. The PSVR Headset 2 promises to provide a significant improvement in specs that will use PS5's more powerful hardware, upping the screen resolution, refresh rate, pixel quality, as well as providing a broader field of view with improved tracking and input timings. Rumors suggest that the PSVR 2 will have an OLED display providing a 4000 by 2040 pixels resolution, which is slightly higher than the Oculus 2. This display is meant to give the PSVR 2 a 110-degree view angle. It will also use foveated rendering, which is a process that uses eye tracking to only render the required parts of the image. Unfortunately, we've heard that the PSVR 2 might not be wireless like the Oculus Quest, as tethered experiences aren't always convenient. At least it will only be a single cable, as rumors suggest. Right now, we don't know how much the PSVR 2 will cost, but it could be somewhere in the range of Project Cambria or Apple VR if Sony uses premium tech. 2022 seems to be a promising year for the virtual reality world, and it may change the daily life experiences for many people. For now, not much has been confirmed about these VR headsets, and only future will tell. But we may see a significant improvement in the VR department, since all of the tech giants have shifted their focus towards improving the VR experience. We hope you liked our presentation. If you want to support us, you can just hit that like button below and leave a comment, or check out our Patreon. Link in the description. Have a great day and thank you for the support.